Hood filters are an important part of any commercial kitchen. They protect air quality and help minimize fire risks. That's why it's so important to change them out when they need it. Luckily, the Baffle Boss makes that easy. Its long handle allows for safe and easy reach to the filter from the floor, no matter your height. To use the Baffle Boss, first adjust the angle of the head to match the angle of the filter. Next, adjust the prongs to match the width of the filter. Insert the prongs into the old filter and lift out. To replace, insert the prongs between the baffles of a new filter and lift into place. And you're all set. Order a Baffle Boss for your commercial kitchen at etundra.com.